What's going on, everybody? Aaron Clough with Coldwell Banker Realty in Rockwall here for your Rockwall County housing market update. So today is June 13th, 2022, a week from last time we reported to you. A lot of the same market dynamics that we saw in Rockwall last week, but also very similar to the trends that we're seeing in Dallas County, yet just on a smaller scale there. So still having a good amount of inventory come on the market, about 96 homes that have come on the market in the past week. 11 are back on market, so fell out at one stage or the other in the deal process. But very similar to Dallas County, we are seeing an increase in price decreases. That's 63 units across Rockwall County, but the transaction flow is very, very strong. So still 54 that are pending, 75 that got closed. So deals are moving forward, very similar like we talked about in Dallas County. Still seeing a very, very tight market in the fact that we are still seeing multiple offers over asking price. Property values have continued to go up throughout the year and year over year from last year, though we're probably not going to see the 18 to 20% that we saw from 20 to 21. But as cost of living goes up, as inflation hits, as other asset classes tend to perform lower or not as well once we get into potentially that bear market and potentially a recession, you'll see in those lower price points, the 300 to 400 range, where we'll still see a lot of investor pressure, even in Rockwall County, because of great school districts, because of traditionally high property values and low taxes as compared to some other areas. But we still expect those interest rates to go up slightly through the rest of the year, maybe knocking people down a peg or where they're looking as far as price point, but has not dampened the spirit of a lot of the buyers that we're seeing in this market. Still seeing multiple offers on every property over asking price, as I mentioned, still appraisal waivers, still a lot of those market dynamics or offer dynamics that we saw beginning in 2020, 2021. So we still expect those to continue through this year. Just because of the demand in the market. Days on market is still really, really low. I believe the last number I saw for Rockwall County was 18. The price per square foot is going up as well, and median home price is going up. So all dynamics that are really good if you are an owner of property in Rockwall County, things that you want to keep in mind as you look over the next few months if you do want to sell or list or potentially make a move. Because the fear, uncertainty, and doubt always hangs in people's minds of what this potential recession is going to look like, what the bear market is going to look like, that we're trending very quickly towards. So if it's a thing or a situation where you think that in the next 12 to 18 months that selling your home may be a good thing for you, I'd encourage you to start evaluating your options now. There may not be a better time. And if you are buying out there, hang in there. We are seeing quite a bit of price decreases across the Metroplex and in Rockwall County, which is encouraging. It means that the pricing dynamics were off, but the market is the market is the market, and the market will dictate what that property is worth. But don't expect the easing of competition anytime soon. We're still expecting a lot of those same dynamics as we discussed. So for all things real estate in Rockwall, we'd love to help you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, lease, invest in Rockwall County, we'd love to be a resource for you and love the opportunity to explain to you how our team can provide value to you and outperform the market around you. So appreciate you watching. I hope you have a fantastic week. And until next time, y'all be good.